Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to install SageMath in our Windows machine. Myself David with Carams. This is in part 1 of the installation part of workshop on SageMath 2018. SageMath is a free open source mathematics software system licensed under the GPL. Before installing everything, there are a couple of things to keep it in mind is this tutorial works only for Windows 7 or more 64-bit machine. Needs at least 5 GB space in the directory where you intend to install SageMath, and a good internet connection to download the installation file. It's around 1 GB. If all are ready, we are good to go. Let's get started. I'm going to my browser, and over there type www.sagemath.org, and if you are there, then you should see the same page whatever I'm seeing here, and click on download 8.4, and it should take you to some download binaries. I would especially wanted to download Windows binaries, so I'll little scroll down, and then search for download Windows binaries, and click on it, and you will be redirected to download binaries for Windows. I'm in India, so obviously I'm choosing an Indian mirror, Indian Institute of Technology Madras. Click on it. You will be redirected to a page where SageMath 8.4 installer version 0.4.1.exe is there. Currently, when I'm recording this video, this is the latest version. So just click on it, and you should get downloading button over here. Yes, everything is fine. So it takes a while to download all these things and all. So what I'm going to do was I have already downloaded that file, and I'm going to install it directly from here. So, and where is my downloads? It's already installed over here. Double click it. Right click open. Click next. Accept an agreement, and click next. Install just for the current user, or install for all user if you are giving that uh, permission to do that. And here Sage will start with this folder as your working directory by default. You can also change this folder after this installation using SageMath command. I'm going to do it right now here. What I'm going to do was I'm going to keep my working directory as my others folder. You can keep it wherever you want. I'm going to keep it in my programs files itself. And next, and there will be one more option will come where to install the SageMath. Again, you can choose the same option. After this option, click on next and click install. Since because I have already installed that, actually that option has not been asked for me. Anyway, currently I have already installed, so I'm cancelling this. So once the installation get over, you will get a confirmation box asking you to finish the installation, and just do it. After that, once you have installed, if you go to your Windows button, then you should be seeing that recently added these things. Otherwise, you search in SageMath 8.4 notebook, because I'm going to use the notebook for the complete workshop. It should pop up one prompt like this. It should open a browser. That's it. This is how it is. Go to SageMath 8.4. You can actually create a new one. Python 2 8.4 SageMath 8.4. Just click on SageMath 8.4, and this is the platform we are going to work on. Just for a checking, just 2 plus 2 plus 3, and click run. For the first run, it usually take a while. After a while, it should run. After that, everything should be faster. So just setting up all the kernel and other stuff. Let's wait for a moment. Come on. Don't worry, it takes a little while to run for the first time. After that, everything is life is very simple. It's very quick. Yes, that's it. One more time. Click run. That's it. Cool. Thank you. Thanks for watching.